Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the hinge pin on your detergent door dispenser on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a flat blade screwdriver and a small Allen wrench. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, first of all, open the dishwasher door. And we're going to remove the short pin that locks the door to the door liner with a small Allen wrench that is slightly smaller than the diameter of that hole. We'll insert the short end of the Allen key into the opening and then push that pin towards the center to release it. And we can lift the door up and slide it towards the outside edge, and we can replace the long pin on the hinged spring side. So we take our long pin, there's no difference which way it goes in. Just make sure that the spring has the long hooked protrusion on the outside edge of the door and that the short protrusion on that spring is upright in the slot. Just drop the pin into place, slide it into the opening, and then with a flat blade screwdriver we'll push the short pin back into the hole in the liner, and our repair is complete. We told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair.